Good morning. I am not here this morning or today. I woke up with some water issues, so I need to get some stuff situated at the house. So use the video for instruction. I expect you to have your work completed when I return. Okay, so for today, where in the world? Clue number 4, the city of water, which includes more than 100 islands, is sinking about a half inch each year. The city was settled in the 8th century. And if you know your answer, you can click right here to go to where in the world number 11. You will find on your activator today that you are using oil. So here you can see you have a world map with lots of color coding. So be sure to zoom in and see what it's talking about. So these give you like country names. So it's pointing to where the country is located. And it's showing you how much oil they have in reserve in 2020. And these are billions of barrels. So if you look like at Mexico, it means they have 14 billion barrels of oil in reserve. They're saving it up for a rainy day. Here you can see in this chart, it shows you products that are made from 1 barrel of oil. Okay, and then the numbers show you that that's how many gallons that it takes. So like every barrel, 19.36 gallons is used for gasoline. Okay, and then here in the middle you have a little chart that shows you when they anticipate that these products are going to run out. Okay, and then finally you have a bar graph here that shows you oil consumption by country. This is in percent, so this is 0, 2%, 4%, 6%, and then you have your countries with a color beside them. So it shows you how much oil they are using. And then this last world map here, this shows you oil production per country. So it's color coded, and then you have a key over here that shows you how much oil they are producing per day. All right. And then you can see that oil is liquid fossil fuel that's found beneath the Earth's surface. You can click right here to access your activator, or it is in your upcoming. All right. So yesterday we finished out the day with our physical features. So if you have not finished your physical feature map of Australasia, here is that again for your review so that you can get that taken care of. Then we're going to move into Australasia's natural resources. So you're going to need this link right here. You're going to click this link, and remember that you can split your screen by Windows key, right or left arrow, and you want to duplicate. So duplicate by clicking the tab up here and choose duplicate, and then drag it out so that you have 2 pages, and on one of the pages you want to stay here, and on one of the pages you want your work page, okay? Because you are going to do this activity right here, complete the fill in the gap to learn more about the natural resources in Australasia, okay? So when you click here, it's going to take you to this fill in the gap, and from this fill in the gap here, you need to use the words. You need to fill in what's missing from this section right here, okay? And so it looks like spelling matters. So use your text here, and you can see that it walks us through this information, okay? So once you have finished your fill in the gap, then you will see that I have also added the overnight stay for Australasia's natural resources. So when you come to here, you're going to see that it's mainly Australia that I have highlighted, but you can see that I have noted some crops that come from some of the islands over here. So this time I lumped together gold and silver. Those are my gold circles. There's a lot of copper. There's a lot of coal along the coast here. There's some barley in the temperate areas. You have some sorghum that's noted by this square, and some wheat growing, and then coconut growing in many of these islands. That's a crop that they have. You can see in New Zealand, my lovely sheep. That's my sheep. You also have some sheep in Australia and some cattle in Australia. And then I put some crabs and some whales out here because fishing industry would be good. So you're going to go ahead and map out your resources as well.